ididiig agad ni Coach Olsen dito kung matibay ba sa pressure defense itong Arellano Chiefs.
Jericho Nunez now the starting center for Perpetual, and he started off with a bang, including a slam dunk in their first game of the season. The rookie Goho Cruz, you know the defense is going to be all up in his business, especially with his performance in his rookie debut.
Correct, tama-tama talaga yan. Basta rookie yan, aabutin pa yan. Siguro there will be physicality pa dyan, pero nagseset ng tone dito sa Perpetual is their solid defense.
And right on cue, Coach Jerry, they are able to force a turnover. Kaya lang, may moving screen na tinawag dito. Nahuli doon si Jericho Nunez.
Yes, kailangan naka-establish position. Di ka pwedeng nagbibigay ka ng moving pick. Kailangan let the offensive player bring you the guy. Hindi yung ikaw ang pupunta rin sa defensive player.
Coach Chico Manabat, you saw him just moments ago on your screen. Second season as the head coach of Arellano. Maverick Vinoy, a solid performance in their first game. Borromeo with the miss, and Jericho Nunez with the board. Gotta love this atmosphere. I hope you guys can hear the cheers and the energy of the crowd. Orgo, Pinoy step, pinasa dito kay Pagaran, in and out, and babalik ang bola sa Arellano. And a counter steal by Orgo. Orgo, in and out dribble. Stops, pops, does not drop. Ball movement in the paint. Jericho Nunez was fouled.
Good. Ganda yun. Talakita nila. They have the advantage. Si Orgo, di na nag-hesitate. Di niya na inantay. Di niya na pinaset. Inatake niya kagad.
Ginaganahan yung mga players. The student athletes feel like this is a Final Four type atmosphere. Kaya ganado sila dumepensa, Coach.
Yes, Ton, talagang it will be their first win itong Arellano kung tatalunin nila itong Perpetual. And mag-engage na nila more or less kung nasaan ka dito sa season 100 ng NCAA.
Our coaches are also very excited for today. Gleisel Galpo has a story about that, so let's turn it over to Gleisel right now.
Superhero sa basketball. These were words from Coach Chico Manabat when I asked him about Coach Olsen Rasela. Kuwento niya sa akin, he idolized him so much to the point where he wore jersey number 17 during his younger playing days. Because that used to be Coach Olsen's number as well. Naging coach pa nga raw nitong si Coach Chico, ang kapatid ni Coach Olsen, kaya naman he was able to ask shoes from him which he used para sa games niya sa PBL. Hindi man raw sila nagkatapat sa loob ng court, but today is a surreal moment for Coach Chico kasi ngayon ay he's going up against his basketball idol. Kaya naman, ang paalala niya sa kanyang kupunan is to shake off the nerves and to be familiar with the atmosphere and intensity of the game so that they can maintain composure until the end. Thoughts and Ton and Coach Jerry?
You know what, Gleisel, there is that saying na work hard until your idols become your rivals.
Tama yan, oo. Alam mo naman si Coach Olsen, talagang maraming bunot yan eh. Nakita mo ngayon, very unusual. Lahat ng mga bola, pag napunta sa corner, tinatrap ng Perpetual. Ton.
Now, even though Coach Jerry, ganito ang sitwasyon ngayon ni Coach Chico na he's coaching against his rival, syempre, the best type of respect that you can give is to coach in the best way possible and win against him.
Yes, tama. Yan ang talaga magandang magandang dream. Talunin mo rin siyempre yung idol mo eh. Pero nakita mo yung Arellano, hindi magpapatalo yan. Very prepared sila. Umiikot ang bola nila ngayon compared to last time.
Samantala, Pagaran scoring on the fast break. Valencia, the team captain, pops out at the top of the key. Basti. Inside pass. Oh, wow! What a setup job by De La Cruz.
Ang ganda nun. That's the perfect way of sealing. Hindi niya na binaba yung bola. He's 6'7". Ginambok. Ayun, uncontested. And 1.
Look at the fast-paced action. Pagaran, the marked man para sa Perpetual. Before the season started, we were looking at the lineup of Perpetual. Ang daming nawala. Wala na si Jun Roque, wala na si Cyrus Natura, wala na si Omega, wala na si Ferreras, wala na si Barcuma. Pagaran was clearly going to be the main option para sa kupunan ni Coach Olsen Rasela.
Yes, mahirap yun. Puro core ng team yung nawala last year, Ton. But Coach Olsen found a way para niya magamit yung mga second team, second unit.
Pizarro. No. Battle for the loose ball. It goes to AU. Valencia. Oh, errant pass. And you can see the defense of the Alta so solid. 3 men in the paint to deny Valencia.
Yes, alam nila aatake. Nagre-rim run din si Valencia, pero he was saying dapat medyo nasa corner pa si Vinoya.
Orgo. New starting point guard para sa kupunan ni Coach Olsen Racela. You know that's a big deal.
Ton, mahirap talaga pagka rookie guard eh. Pero with Coach Olsen, I'm sure gagawa niya ng paraan yan. Aalalayan niya tong point guard niya sigurado.
Balik ang bola dito sa Chiefs. Waki De Leon.
Parang ang sikip-sikip ng court ngayon. Ang dami malalaki.
De La Cruz. Turnaround jump hook.
Wala at yan muna. Arellano.
Second quarter natin. So let's see. Dapat dito umatake ang Arellano. Oh, Basti Valencia. What a fadeaway. Going downhill. That one rolls out. Arellano has a chance to inch closer. Valencia.
A Final Four type of atmosphere we are feeling. It's as if Arellano is back in season 92 of the NCAA when Coach Jericho Diniera was the coach of Arellano. Ganito lagi yung crowd nyo dati, Coach.
Yes, Ton, excited lagi yung mga bata manood eh. Yung Arellano University community, they're always there sa team. Whether you win or you lose, lagi sila nandyan.
Pati na rin yung Perpetual. This is a huge batch of student athletes who come all the way from Las Piñas para suportahan ng kanilang kupunan, especially now under a new era with Coach Olsen Racela at the helm, and of course Mancom Committee Representative Mr. Frank Gusi is here at the VIP section.
Maraming dala dito si Coach Olsen ng mga tricks niya from another league. Sigurado ko they will learn a lot from Coach Olsen.
Oh! Yuan Kamay with the interception. I'm not sure what happened there. It's as if Abis just gave the ball to the enemy. Ayun na nga nangyari. No cut from Orgo. Pagaran, tumakboard pa!
You cannot do that to Pagaran. Pressure mo siya ng that close. Masyadong athletic tong bata na to. Na-blow by siya doon. Mabilis yung first step, Ton.
One of the best slashers in the NCAA. Tatapboard pa to, ah.
I remember him last year. Dumangkan from the side, di ba?
Yep. He has bunnies. Itong si Christian Pagaran, 6'2". And he completes the three-point play. Coach Olsen Racela very animated, reminding Pagaran that they are going to apply full court pressure. Eto na, JL Kapulong. Kapulong!
Talaga naman, ano.
Humihingi pa ng foul.
Do it all Kapulong.
Goho Cruz with a pull-up. Pagaran saves it to the wrong man. T-Mac. Ongotan is on the floor. Ongotan to Kapulong. Oh! Missing. Wow. The energy on the glass. Hernal making his presence felt.
Hindi mo pwedeng hindi i-box out si Hernal.
Pero may sagot si Abis. 10-8 ang ating talaan. Arellano nangunguna. Yuan Kamay, sophomore guard. JL. Wow, smothered. No foul called. Hernal trying to recover the basketball. Hernal fouled. And that was a pass out. Instant impact, coach, para dito kay JL Kapulong.
Hindi niya talaga yan. Papakawalan. Sure ball. Hindi siya bumibitaw sa bola, Ton. And also, Perpetual's doing a good job in collapsing. Ha? Alam nila mga big man ng Arellano, hindi na papasok sa loob yan, sa labas.
JP Boral, the player who starred for Perpetual, coming off the bench once again today. Expect him to make an impact. Kapulong. Hernal. No. Helsano with the board.
Dalawang offensive rebound na ni Hernal. It's just about yung finishing na lang, finishing touches.
Boral. Nunez, binalik kay JP. Goho Cruz gets it back. Goho Cruz pulls up for three. No. And Helsano busy on the boards. Orgo. Back to Angelo. Goho Cruz. Titira na naman. Mark Goho Cruz.
Ganda ng tira niya. Talagang jump shooter. Pero still, may flashes pa rin ng triangle yung tinatakbo ni Coach Olsen. Mga one pass. Mga two pass to the top.
And I wouldn't be surprised because at the professional level, of course, Coach Olsen is part of the coaching staff of Coach Tim Cohn. As we see JP Boral knock it down from the corner. Perpetual with a 14-10 lead. Timeout, Arellano.
Ano doon? Right of the jump ball.
King Gortiza off
Eto
the
na.
screen.
Iyon
He
naman.
knocks it down. Wasting no time to make his presence felt.
As expected para dito kay King Gortiza.
Ongotan. Pull-up jumper is off. Here comes Harvey Pagsanhan.
Ayun na naman si
What a
Gortiza on the pass break.
Gortiza on the touchdown. EAC is starting off strong. Nagulat ako, sinabi niya, Nico,
Look at the ball movement right here. Helsano finding Mark Goho Cruz. And then Helsano looking, finding JP Boral for three. And he turns to the crowd. And the thing is, that's not the Perpetual crowd. That's the Arellano crowd he looked at. Hey, it's Coach Nash Rosella.
Oo, rin the Admiral Romel Adukul.
Admiral ba, Coach, o General?
General, sorry. General, Admiral. Para mas
David
na-promote.
Robinson.
Oo. Ngayon ko lang nakita si Romel.
Yeah, the General.
San Sebastian.
Yep. And also a couple years back, part of the coaching staff of LPU.
Yes,
LPU
LPU.
Pirates. But nice to see Coach Nash Rosella here.
Yes, oo.
Narin-report din ni Gleisel na Coach Chico played for the brother of Coach Olsen, Coach Nash.
Oo. Yeah, tama. Correct.
JP Boral. Nunez. Gets it back. Jericho Nunez. Manuel on the floor now. Boral. Well, look at the confidence of JP Boral. Calling his teammate. Oh, something new. Angelo Helsano with some range. Okay. And Montemayor with the rebound. Here's the thing about Helsano. Last season, he only took 2 attempts from beyond the arc. And that's why my reaction was like that, in case you guys were wondering. Not really known as a three-point shooter.
Another threat na naman to, Ton, para kay Coach Olsen. Meron ka ng Boral, meron ka pang another two-way wing.
And with his size, Coach Jerry, he has to develop that outside shot.
Yes, ang ganda nun. Talagang bukod. Sino pwedeng mag-contest dyan? With 6'3", 6'4", kung guard ka lang hindi mo aabutan.
Oh my God! JP Boral! Ang layo ng sidestep niya doon.
Oo, step side. Tsaka hindi na siya mabablock doon Sino pa bumabantay sa kanya doon? Kung gwardiya lang wala.
We're seeing a lot of new moves from these much improved student athletes. And you can see, Coach Jerry, that JP Boral is embracing this new role. June Roque's role last season was, and it was clear under Coach Mike Sagigit, he would be the main man. Although JP Boral is coming off the bench at this point, alam natin that when he's on the floor, he is him.
Correct. Oo, Ton. Ano siya eh? Talagang hindi mo kailangan painitin. Alam niya, he has good shot selection. Alam niya, pag range niya, tira niya, pag wala. Kita mo yun, pinasa niya sa corner. Tinignan niya lang, nag-bait lang siya. Kala nila, pag collapse, kicks 3 points. Ayun, pasok.
Siya yung mga tipo ng player na if you're a pro coach and you're looking for players to draft in the upcoming years, he's the guy that you're gonna put on your list.
Yes, ano pa to eh. Masyado maraming potential to. So titignan na lang natin yung defensive aspect niya. Kung hanggang saan ba siya kasipag, kahusay. Yan.
Renzo Abiera knocks in the first free throw for Arellano. Renzo is one of 11 new additions for Coach Chico Manabat's Arellano Chiefs team of season 100. Bawat bola na pumasok sa ring, you get a corresponding Final Four-like reaction from the Arellano crowd.
Yes, talagang makita mo yung hustle nila eh. They just have to sustain it. Hindi pwedeng selective lang yung Arellano rito para makakompete sila dito sa game.
Manuel. Oh, natapikan. Ongotan with a steal. Here comes T-Mac. Ongotan!
Yan ang madadala ni Ongotan dito. It's to lead them on defense, pressure defense, para hindi ganun katali mag-execute itong koponan ng Perpetual.
Well, look at the patience of Perpetual finding the open shot. JP Boral. Oh, napakasipag. Montemayor. And look at these players crash the board. 3-on-1. Fast break.
Yan ang downside pag medyo malaki lineup mo eh. Katulad ng Perpetual team. Tapos naka-triggered attack ang Arellano. Medyo at a disadvantage ka dyan pag takbuhan.
Especially with Kamay and Ongotan, two speedsters on the floor.
Medyo sinosona sila ng Arellano ngayon. They're employing a 2-3 zone.
And they've got active hands. Helsano, short on that mid-range jumper. Manuel. Back to Helsano at maubusan ng oras ang Perpetual. That's a stop by Arellano.
Nabulaga si Coach Olsen doon. Sinona sila ron. Nabigla siya doon.
So great adjustments. Frantic pace. What a start to our second game on this Friday. Perpetual na una kontra sa Arellano. 17-16 at the end of one.
And Monje with a deflection. Ito na si Monje. Monje with a finish.
Ganda na ang defense ni Monje.
Coach, as we see this move by Kobe Monje, I just noticed and realized itong uniform ng Letran, may pagka-throwback na anggulo. Almost got it down though. Gabat on the move. Gabat. Bola na kay Jimboy. To Monje.
Nice pass. Ang ganda na execution nila sa pass big gun.
Paeng-Are was pleading for that ball.
That's only the third deadlock for the game.
Wow. To Monje. Monje with a finish plus the foul.
Ang challenge kasi sa Letran, kailangan talaga umabot yung bola sa post.
TGIF, thanks God, it's Friday. We feel the vibes here at the Phil Eco Oil Center in San Juan. A jam-packed crowd, the type of atmosphere you want to be in as you begin your weekend. Gotta love it. And a lot of these students are in uniform as well, representing, looking good, looking fine. And they are smiling for the camera as well. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. To everybody watching on Heart of Asia or wherever it is you are tapping in and checking into this game or checking out this game, NCAA Philippines via YouTube and Facebook. Anton Rojas alongside Coach Jericho Diniera, and we also have Glycel Galpo reporting at courtside.
Ang ganda rin ng composition ng lineup ni Coach Chico eh. Niliitan niya yung lineup para makatakbo.
Ongotan rises up for the shot. Nunez rises up for the rebound. Montemayor. Now, tignan natin yung adjustment ni Coach Olsen because you did notice na yung zone gave them some problems towards the end of the first quarter, Coach.
Yes, nakakuha sila ng 2-3 possessions doon. Malaking bagay yun, especially pag nagli-lead ka.
Oh, wow. Manuel, binitbit ang bola. Axel Manuel finds a way to score under duress.
Yun lang napansin ko dito kay Kapulong. Pag pumulap siya, parang medyo hesitant siya eh. Ayaw niya man tuluyan. Oh, yun. Talagang it's either yung path or to charge na lang siya.
Axel Manuel also coming from the Junior Altas high school basketball program. Now the backup point guard of Coach Olsen Racela behind the veteran Sean Orgo. Orgo now in his third year.
They went to the finals yan last year. Juniors, perpetual juniors nila versus Letran.
Was their biggest season ever in the juniors division. Pagaran pulls up for the jumper. Balik ang bola dito sa AU. Abiera. Kamay. Kapulong trying to seal. He will have a hard time against the physical.
Walang eye contact ton eh.
Hefty. Nunez, but Kapulong finds a way. Grabe itong si Kapulong. Nakaabang lang.
Oo, talagang siya, pag nabigyan mo, sure ball talagang tira.
Axel, in and out. You can feel the hunger from both teams. They want a win today. Kamay faking the handoff. Kamay against Boral. Kamay, nowhere to go. And it's hard to get by a guy like JP Boral. Ongotan, umikot, tumira, wala. Helsano, nakuha yung rebound. Manuel. Helsano. Binigay kay JP Boral. Boral. Oh, natapikan. At hindi mapulot ni Helsano ang bola.
Medyo napagandaan nila to yung rim run ng Perpetual. Si bigla, si Dal Nunez sa kakakuha ng bola ron. Ngayon, this time, nakastay high na sila. Oo, kaya gano'n. Dami nilang interception.
Maverick Vinoya returns. And Andre Acop is also in the game now, wearing jersey number 13 para sa AU. Abiera misfires. Tapi ka ng bola. It stays with the Chiefs. Acop. Kamay mula sa kanto. Quick release.
Another veteran guard from Arellano. Talagang hindi rin mag-hesitate yan. May tira yan. Na-injured lang yan last year.
Alright, let's get an update at courtside with Glycel Galpo.
Yes, Anton and Coach Jerry, just be patient. Yan ang sigaw ni Coach Olsen Racela going into the second quarter of the game. Nakausap ko nga siya kanina at sinabi niya sa akin na hindi raw sapat ang unang panalo nila to win against the Chiefs today because he acknowledged their hunger, their extreme hunger to clinch their first victory. Meron man daw silang lapses in their defensive play in their last game. They just take the good with the bad. And today, ang plano daw niya is to use as much players as he can to expose his young squad for them to gain more experience. Dagdag pa niya, it is really up to the Altas to execute their game plan despite their shorter preparation. Anton and Coach Jerry?
That's the long-term vision that one can get when you have Olsen Racela as the head coach.
Correct, yes. Alam mo, maraming plano yun si Coach Olsen. Ano lang, agay matatime lang muna. Pero ito itong Vinoya, yung mga pinapasok ni Coach. Kantang gumalaw, parang veteran na.
Maverick Vinoya, a player with a very impressive resume. Played for the Bullpups in high school, so that's a winning high school basketball program. So you know that he can bring a lot here to this Arellano Chief squad of Coach Chico Manabat.
Ganda yan eh. Nakita ko sa kanyang he showed the ball coming from a parang shot fake siya. Ba? Okay ah. Hindi siya natataranta.
Ngayon, rene-review nila yung tapik which happened right in front of Coach Olsen.
Medyo nagbawa si Coach Olsen ng big guy. Medyo isa na lang, si Abis na lang.
So yun yung adjustment, Coach.
Yes, naka 3 guards ngayon sila. Pagaran, and Boho Cruz, and Orgo.
Kasi nakarami yung Arellano sa points off turnover. 7 points off turnovers.
Laban na ng cardio to. Sigurado.
Tsaka fast break point, 6-2 lamang ang Chiefs. So Coach Olsen trying to match that speed.
Wow.
Speaking of speed, tumuro pa sa crowd. Itong si Renzo Abiera.
Where is the help? You know, sometimes over-focus sila sa tao nila. Nawawala na yung help and recover.
Abis mula sa labas. Abis drains the triple. Perpetual, 3 out of 11 from beyond the arc. Arellano has only attempted 3 shots from the 3-point line. But as I say that, there's the 4th attempt. It hits nothing but air. Pagaran, binigay kay Abis. Abis, oh! Backdoor, Orgo! Bumitin pa sa ere. Napaganda pa, Coach.
Oo, in-anticipate niya masyadong contact. Buti na lang, may big guy ka ron. Nandun sa loob yung si Pizarro. Iba na malaki.
Ito yung tira kanina ni Renzo Abiera, sabay turo sa crowd. And here's that shot by John Abis. And then the back door of Orgo, bumitin sa ere. No problem, because the big man, Pizarro, was there for the putback. He will shoot one when we come back.
This is our league. This is our moment.
Almost a steal. Actually, he completes the steal. Paeng Are, bumitin sa ere. Paeng Are. Wow!
And one.
May deflection dito mula kay Are. Kondisyon na habol. Buhat bantay.
Hang time, ang tagal sa ere. Hinintay mo nang bumaba. And may kasama pa.
26-25. That is our tally as of the moment. Perpetua leads Arellano, and we have Pizarro getting ready to shoot the bonus. Perp squad. And a Randy Alcantara sighting.
Oo, nag-i-scout, Coach Randy.
Coach Randy and his Mapua Cardinals picking up their first win of the season. And it was a close game against EAC, Coach.
Yes, alam mo naman si Coach Randy. Laging laging on the lookout para sa mga potential players.
Pizarro also coming from Letran in high school. Oh, and he almost grabs his own miss.
Para nagtututuan, naka-zone press ngayon si Perpetual. Yes, malalim ang zone press nila ngayon. Talagang naka-75%. There are times, Ton, ginagawa nila 50. Isan 1-2-2, they trap all the corners. They're giving them different looks.
And Arellano needs to work on their press break as Perpetual comes up with an interception. And yun yung dinedemonstrate ngayon ni Coach Chico Manabat, who's very animated in front of his bench.
Sinasabi niya kay Miller, dribble mo, wag mo ipasa.
Dre Miller, of course, is the son of Willie, the Thriller Miller. And he comes up with a steal. Here comes Dre. Dre gets it back. Let's see if he's got some Willie Miller in him. Yeah, anytime you see a second generation son of a legend player, the anticipation and excitement is there, and there's his daddy, Willie Miller.
Oh, nakakasama natin yung daddy niyan. Nako, ayan na.
Dre, aatake. Well, yung tapang ni Willie Miller, that's there for sure. And Willie Miller is the type of person na when he has the ball, I got this.
Oo. Saan yung ano pedigree. Talagang buo yan. Buo pag umatake yan.
Now, there's another new player on the floor para sa Arellano. And days before the start of the season, he just flew in from Chicago. Yes, the Windy City. The city that Michael Jordan built.
Oh, medyo may miscom sila ni Estacio at saka Capullo. Para silang puma-flash on the same spot.
Oh! Pizarro. Offensive foul. You know, it's not easy to knock down a guy like JL Capulong.
Bumangga sa tangke.
Nakangiti si JL eh.
Tangke tsaka truck nagbanggaan.
Para sabi ni JL, okay. I'll get you next time.
Hindi ka pwedeng di nagwe-weights dito.
Yup, the NCAA is a big man's league. Miller to Estacio. Akop, Capulong. A pull-up jumper from JL Capulong. We rarely see that. Pull up off the dribble.
Yan, pwede nang gawin ni JR Capulong yan dahil meron na siyang isang rebounder like Estacio.
Goho Cruz. Orgo. Steady from the corner. Perpetual is going to be dangerous if Orgo can be reliable from beyond the arc. Pasti Valencia lays it up and in.
Very shifty to si Valencia.
Orgo.
Very potent din to yung pressure, full court pressure defense ni Coach Olsen. Talagang nakita mo siya, very animated. Talagang lagi niya dinidiin yung players.
Helsano. Hand off to Goho Cruz, Pagaran, and there's the triangle. That's just reading the defense and moving to the most optimal position to score. And that's exactly what Pagaran did, and a great read as well by Nunez to bounce past that ball to him. Valencia though, that was all him creating his own shot.
Galing, Valencia.
Goho Cruz accelerates and draws the foul.
Sometimes the defensive player, dapat you should know your range. Hindi ka pwedeng too close.
Pero finake ni Chris yung galaw niya eh. Akala ng defender niya pupunta siya sa kaliwa. Biglang kumat sa kanan. Ito naman si Valencia, just a good D, better O situation. Goho Cruz gets that first free throw to trickle in the prized recruit. Although, I don't know if you can, pwede ba sabing recruit kung nanggaling na sa high school? Kung nagstay lang?
Oo. Yes, oo, kasi
sa panahon ngayon,
pwede lumipat sa iba eh. Pero ang ganda rito kay Goho Cruz, kahit dumidepensa, nakaka-offense at the same time. Others kasi na-apektuhan eh. Yung offense pag sobrang pagod.
3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining here in the first half. Perpetual with a 4-point lead. Ito yung excitement sa NCAA coach pag may mga bagong players na galing high school or nag-transfer mula sa ibang school. Nagkaroon ng bagong chapter sa kanilang basketball career.
Yes, lahat talaga gusto magpakita.
Orgo. Helsano. Oh, look at the cut. Naagaw. Here's Dre Miller. Dre making his move. Dre Miller! Finishing on the fast break under duress. And yes, he's got some Willie Miller in him.
Grabe.
Perpetual leads Arellano 33-31.
Court pressure, which kilala talaga tong team na to dyan sa ganyang depensa.
Ryan Sahonia, his first shot as a Sunbetter Red Lion in the NCAA. The best shooting three-point team in the NCAA. Sahonia, baseline drive. Sahonia, short. Sahonia! Wow! 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining here in the first half, and we have Dre Miller trying to make a name for himself here in the NCAA. Coach, nakakasama mo madalas si Willie Miller. What can you say about his son, Dre?
Nako, parang walang pinagkaiba. Makita mo yung bumlak, ha? Si Boral. Hindi na-intimidate. Ha? Talaga sabi niya, anak, huwag kang ma-intimidate. Diretso mo.
Ayan, bringing out a little smile, Willie Miller. Oh, Boss Anton Tamayo
Yes.
is here. Ayan. Boss Anton.
Pino-workout talaga ni Thriller Miller yung anak niya. Lagi yan sa mga ball skills. Hindi magkukulang si Willie Boy sa anak niya. Sa mga skills training.
Orgo.
Naka 1-3-1 sila ngayon, Ton.
And let's see how
Arellano.
Perpetual will play this. Boral to Orgo. Solid lineup on the floor right now. Pass, and Orgo says, let's set things up.
Bigyan depensa. Basketball. Stops.
Covers the back. Valencia. At babalik ang bola sa Perpetual.
Balik na naman sa 3-big yung Perpetual team ni Coach Olsen.
So substitutions made by both coaches. And new player on the floor for Arellano, Joseph Espiritu Jr., wearing jersey number 45. Manuel to Montemayor. Montemayor, Helsano. You can see the confidence is so much higher as compared to what he had in season 99, Coach. Ready to shoot si Angelo.
Yes, kompleto itong Helsano. Tumitira short corner, 3-points corner, lahat tinitirahan ni Helsano.
And you'd love to see it, Coach, na nagbago na yung kumpiyansa